If you are a highly paid software engineer making six figures, or you are on your way to this position, you must be aware of the main danger: to blow all your money and become bankrupt. You might think that this problem won't concern you because you are now making a lot of money. You are not poor anymore, so you can easily afford that cool car or a nice house. This is the main mistake that we all tend to make. When our income rises, we also raise our standard of living. But this is the way to a financial disaster, because you can raise your living standards until infinity, but you cannot do the same with your income. Let's take a look at pro athletes. 60% of NBA players go broke within 5 years of departing the league, and almost 80% of former NFL players go flat broke 2 years after retirement. Those people were earning millions. How come they lost everything? The main reasons are buying luxury things like flashy cars, huge houses, spending money on parties, and even in some cases on alcohol and drugs, poor business investment, and overall living a lifestyle of ultra-rich when they were actually just rich. But do you really need to live like ultra-rich for a couple of years, or it's better to invest your money carefully, live a decent lifestyle above average, but have enough money for the rest of your life? Never work a single day again if you don't want to, and do whatever you want with your time, like opening a business to earn more money. If you are earning life-changing money, it doesn't mean you need to drastically change your lifestyle. It doesn't matter how much you are earning, 10 grand a year, 100 grand or $1 million, if you spend 100% of your income and don't save anything. Your salary doesn't matter, you are just as poor as someone else living from paycheck to paycheck. You'll be surprised how many doctors, lawyers, and other high-income earners are just one paycheck away from their bankruptcy because of too lavish lifestyle they are living. Most of them have to borrow money from microfinancial organizations in order to just survive until their next paycheck. One black swan event like health problems, accident, or termination of employment, and such people will be in debt and in some serious trouble. So this is the pro tip for high earners. Live as frugal as possible, let's say on 20% of your income or less. Save 80% of your salary and invest smartly in real estate, commercial property, your own business, or live off the interest if you've saved a really large sum of money. This is the way to become financially free. Spend less than you earn, save money and invest. It's really that simple, and yet we see so many ball players and famous people go broke and file for bankruptcy because of their spending habits and living a lifestyle they cannot support. Life is not all about expensive cars and $300 dinners. If you are looking for happiness, invest your time and money in family, friends, your local community, and perhaps traveling. It's not that expensive and yet much more fulfilling in the end of the day than buying a bunch of carefully marketed stuff you don't need and become a paycheck slave. It was Dimitri, and I really wish you to become financially free, my friends.